Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're ranking 15 cruise ship jobs, from the lowest salary to the highest. And trust me, the difference is crazy. On a cruise ship, some people earn just $700 a month, while others make over $10,000 doing almost the same lifestyle. But here's the twist. The highest paying job is not what you think. So watch till the end, because number 1 might surprise you. 15. Cleaner/utility worker salary, $700 to $1,500 per month. This is where most people start. Hard work, long hours, but it opens the door. 14. Housekeeping staff salary, $800 to $1,800 per month. Cleaning cabins all day. Tough job, but slightly better pay. 13. Waiter/server salary, $1,200 to $2,500 per month. Here's where things get interesting. Tips can double your income. 12. Photographer salary, $1,200 to $2,500 per month. You take photos, but real money comes from commissions. 11. Kitchen staff cook salary, $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Long hours in hot kitchens. Not for everyone. 10. Deck crew salary, $1,500 to $3,500 per month. Outdoor job. Physically demanding, but better pay. 9. Spa therapist salary, $1,500 to $3,500 per month. Relaxing job? Not really. Targets plus commissions pressure. 8. Bartender salary, $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Here's the twist. Tips can sometimes make you earn more than officers' eyes. 7. Receptionist, guest services, salary, $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Less physical work, but mentally stressful dealing with guests. 6. Security officer salary, $1,800 to $3,000 per month. Responsible for safety. Serious job, serious responsibility. 5. Casino dealer salary, $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Now we're entering high-paying zone. Tips can go crazy here. 4. Cruise entertainer salary, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Singers, dancers. Looks fun, but very competitive. 3. IT officer salary, $2,500 to $5,000 per month. Behind the scenes, but one of the most important roles. 2. Doctor/nurse salary, $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Flushed face. Now this is big money, but requires qualifications and responsibility. Now before I reveal number 1, most people think this is the highest paying job, but they're wrong. 1. Captain salary, $8,000 to $15,000 per month. Ship the king of the ship. Years of experience, massive responsibility. But yes, this is the highest paid job on board. But here's the real twist. Even if someone earns $3,000 and someone earns $1,000, both are living almost the same life. Same room type, same food, same ship. So sometimes, lower jobs can still be worth it. So the real question is, would you work 10 to 12 hours daily? Stay away from family, just to travel the world and save money? Tell me in the comment, and if you want a full guide on how to apply for cruise ship jobs, subscribe now, because that video is coming next.